Looky here, everybody. Sawmill. Let's see what they have to say. Apparently the speaker isn't working, so we'll walk down into this slippery. So as you can see, it looks like the wood would be logged in there, going through that giant saw and work its way down there, and then it looks like there's something down there too. So, and there's a picture. Nice. So you take the big pieces of wood. There's your contraption. It probably fired everything up. So nice. Well, hello everybody. Friday before Memorial Day weekend. Hope all is well. I was scared it was a critter. That was what that was. It sound. So we are cruising. I didn't get a good look at it. Oh well. I'm probably going to mutilate the name because of the trail. It's Cherokee name, so I think it's Amadahy. I'll put the name of the trail in this part of the video when I go to edit it. But here, there you go. Oop, no sun. Look at it. There's what it's called. So you can't really see it because let's get out of the sun. I guess a Maldra? I don't know. It's Cherokee for water forest, I believe is what they call it. Pretty cool. All right, we're gonna keep trucking. Oh, wait a minute. What do we got here? Oh yeah, little waterfall action. Nice. All right. Creek's running pretty good. So we came down that. It's mostly been down all the way, it seems like. So, well, it looks like we got a little bit of a flat. So far, not bad uphill. But I don't know, that looks like it drops down some more. So we may be dropping even more. But it's all good. If we get some cool waterfalls at the end, you know what? It's all well worth it. It's all well worth it, folks. So yeah, it's chilling on this nice little trail. We'll just call it the Forest Water Trail because that's the Cherokee name. I probably mutilated the last one, so we'll just call it Forest Water Trail. How's that sound? Up in, I think it's Rendezvous State Park, or Rendezvous. Another, again, pronunciation. All right, let's keep cruising. see all the way up there. That might be where the falls are. With Mother Nature last night, there ain't too many safe crossings on this thing without taking the shoes off and the boots off. So I guess this is where it comes to an end. Things change, I'll let you know. I think I found the falls, everybody. The trail blazed up here, like up that way, and then I see this thing right here. So I think what we're gonna do is go up this maybe to the top of it and turn around and see if this connects with the original trail that I was on. Otherwise, I'll be bushwhacking again. So, all right, I'm gonna keep cruising, see what else we can find. Oh, hello everybody. Whew. I finally found the trail. I had to bushwhack to get down to another step, but that creek crossing, and I've crossed that creek at least a half a dozen times so far. But this trusty old stick to help me out, myself like a tripod. I've been going up for a while. It kind of makes sense on the way down. We were going kind of like this too, so guess I didn't read that in the memo. Beautiful out here. The sun was out for a little bit, it disappears. So it's pretty cloudy, sunny, off and on. All right, I did get back on trail. Look at all this beautiful green I'm looking at. Whew, excuse my breath. All righty.